The $2.6 billion wall. That's what it costs Big Pharma to find a single cure. But today, that wall is falling. Welcome to Metanova Labs, Subnet 68. The problem. Modern medicine is stuck in a 12-year loop. 90% of drugs fail because centralized labs work in silos. If Pfizer fails, no one else learns. It's slow, expensive, and broken. The COVID-19 example. Think back to 2020, a global emergency, yet no one had the code. Because our research is centralized, thousands of labs around the world were accidentally repeating the same failed experiments because they couldn't see each other's data. We didn't lack scientists. We lacked a shared intelligence. While the world waited, the silos stayed locked. Big tech comp. Even Google and NVIDIA are hitting power and data walls. Centralized AI is a railroad, linear and limited. Bittensor is a factory, infinite and self-improving. The pivot. While the giants hit the wall, a decentralized swarm has built a global factory. This is Metanova. It turns drug discovery into a high-speed tournament where only the best cures win. Welcome to Buy, Stake, Chill. SN68. How it works. Metanova transforms drug discovery into a high-speed AI tournament. It releases a biological target, and a global swarm of over 1,000 AI models competes to find the perfect molecular tea that fits it, while avoiding toxic side effects. The PSICHIC Oracle. Validation is deterministic. Using the PSICHIC Oracle, the subnet scores every molecular prediction with 100% objectivity. In just 12 days, this network achieved a 21% jump in intelligence, a speed no human lab can touch. Technical trinity. Meet the engine. Miners propose molecules. Validators use the PSICHIC Oracle to judge binding affinity. And stakers provide the capital to fuel the rewards. It's a biological meritocracy. SN25 versus SN68. You've heard of SN25 Mainframe. Think of it as the foundational structural factory, predicting how proteins fold. But SN68 is the application factory. It finds the actual drugs that bind to those folds. The sync mode. While SN25 builds the map of biology, SN68 builds the cure. They are two halves of the same decentralized tech giant, working together to make traditional biotech obsolete. Groundbreaking proof. This isn't theory. SN68 screened 10 million molecules and achieved pharma-grade accuracy. In just 12 days, it saw a 21% jump in intelligence. No centralized lab can move this fast. Big tech alternatives. Big tech competitors like Google's Isomorphic labs are black boxes. They are centralized, secret, and expensive. Metanova is open, merit-based, and outcome-driven. The unique edge. Unlike Schrödinger or in silico medicine, Metanova doesn't charge millions for software access. It charges for results. It is the first platform where the reward is tied directly to the discovery. The revenue. How does it pay? Biotech firms pay for screening as a service. Discovered compounds are licensed to Big Pharma. Revenue flows back into the NOVA token. Real utility. Real yield. The team, led by CEO Michaela Bazzo and a team of PhDs in computational chemistry. Metanova is backed by Deep Science Ventures and the Nexus API. This is institutional grade science. The 2% conviction. Why can SN68 grab 2% of the market? Big Pharma spends over $250 billion on R&D every year. Capturing just 2% of that niche is a $4 to $5 billion opportunity. This isn't a moonshot. It's the inevitable baseline for the world's most efficient research factory. The math. 10 tau. Let's run the current numbers. With tau at $275 and NOVA at 3.56, you are earning a massive 72.83% APY. Staking 10 tau generates roughly 47 NOVA every single month. That is high-yield alpha in the most valuable niche on Earth. The tau multiplier. If Metanova captures that 2% share, NOVA tokens could hit $1,100. At a 72% APY, staking just 10 tau today could yield rewards worth nearly $80,000 a year in the bull case. This is how a $275 tau becomes a $20,000 magnet. You don't trade medicine. You own the machine that makes it. Welcome to Metanova. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for learning with us. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Always invest what you can afford to lose. But remember, the biggest risk in this new AI economy is not taking any risk at all. Our intention is to educate you and bring a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Bittensor Tau, directly to your screen. The new age slogan is "Don't wait to buy Tau. Buy Tau and wait." Please like, share, and subscribe to Buy, Stake, Chill. We bring you the real alpha. Cheers.